Hi everyone, my name is Miss Elizabeth and I'm a children's librarian at the Guilderland Public Library. Today we are going to be reading a book called Fall Leaves Fall by Zoe Hall. It's illustrated by Sherry Halpern and published by Scholastic Press. Ooh, look at all these green leaves. Fall leaves fall. All year long, my brother and I wait for our favorite season to come. Can you guess what it is? Fall! How do we know when fall is coming? We watch the leaves. In summer, the leaves on the trees are, what color? Green. When the leaves change color, we know fall is here. Look, what color are they changing now? They're changing to yellow. Ooh, look at all the fall colors. Leaves turn red and orange and yellow. When the wind blows, leaves start to fall from the trees. Whoosh! We try to catch them. We like to stomp on the leaves. Crunch! We like to kick the leaves too. All the fall colors fly back into the air. We like to collect leaves. Some leaves are very small and some leaves are big. Some leaves have pointy edges. And some leaves have smooth edges. When the leaves cover the ground, it's time to rake them up. At last, we have made a huge pile. Next, we jump in. Whee! Inside, we drink mugs of warm cider and eat lots of cookies. Look, their cookies are shaped like leaves. That's pretty cool. These leaves came from our favorite trees. There's maple, sassafras, oak, ginkgo, beech, and oak too. These are both oak. Different kinds of oak trees. We make pictures with our leaves. Oh wow, that's cool. Look at what they made using their leaves they found. Before long, the leaves have turned brown and the branches are bare. All the fall colors are gone, but we know they will be back next year. The end. That was Fall Leaves Fall by Zoe Hall. Today, Monday, October 5th, our Autumn Grab-n-Go Kit is available for you to pick up curbside on a first-come, first-served basis. One of the activities you can do in that Grab-n-Go Kit is to make leaf pictures just like they did in this book. So you can go outside, find some leaves, or use the paper leaves provided and make your own creatures out of leaves. Any kind you want. It doesn't have to be these, any you want. But even if you don't get a Storytime kit, you can still totally do this. Just glue them onto some paper if you want to keep them and hang them up or give them to someone. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. Bye!